Welcome to Digital Wisdom Smarts. Today, I'm giving you the top 10 things you need to know to work smarter, stay safer, and take control of your digital life. All right, y'all, so let's get started. Number 1, understand downloads, uploads, and cloud storage. Downloads, uploads, and cloud storage are 3 of the most common and most confusing terms in technology. Downloading brings a file from the internet to your device. Uploading sends a file from your device to a website, email, or online account. Cloud storage keeps a copy of your file online so you can access it from another device. Examples include iCloud, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox. Once you understand where your information is coming from and where it is going, attaching a resume, saving photographs, submitting forms, and sharing documents becomes much easier. Number 2, turn your smartphone into a practical tool. Your smartphone is more than a telephone and camera. It can scan documents, provide directions, store tickets, translate languages, identify songs, track medications, and help locate your parked car. The camera can also read QR codes and scan documents that would otherwise require a separate machine. Instead of photographing a document and sending a crooked picture, use your phone's scanning feature. It can straighten the page, improve the lighting, and save the document as a PDF. You don't have to learn everything your phone can do at once. Start with one feature that solves an everyday problem. Number 3, learn how to use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can help you draft letters, organize ideas, plan meals, compare products, practice interview questions, and break complicated instructions into smaller steps. The quality of the response depends heavily on the instructions you provide. Instead of typing, "Help me with my phone," provide useful details. You might write, "I have an iPhone. Give me step-by-step instructions for scanning a document and saving it as a PDF." Use plain language and explain where each button is located. AI should support your judgment, not replace it. Important medical, legal, and financial information should still be verified through reliable sources. Number 4, navigate important online accounts. Many essential services have moved online. Social Security, Medicare, the IRS, healthcare systems, banks, and retirement accounts all provide online portals. These accounts allow you to review your information, download statements, schedule appointments, and detect changes you did not authorize. Create accounts directly through official websites. Save the addresses as bookmarks and avoid signing in through links sent by text message or email. You don't need to check every account daily. You simply need to know how to access your information when you need it. Number 5, communicate through video and screen sharing. Video calling is now used for medical appointments, business meetings, family gatherings, interviews, and online classes. The basic skills include muting and unmuting your microphone, turning the camera on and off, adjusting the speaker volume, and positioning the camera at eye level. Screen sharing is especially useful when someone is helping you with technology. It allows the other person to see what you see without physically taking your device. Never give a stranger remote access to your computer. Legitimate support should clearly explain what access is being requested and why. Number 6, use digital payments safely. Digital payments include services such as Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and Apple Pay. These tools are convenient, but they do not all provide the same protections. Zelle is designed primarily for sending money to people you know and trust. It should not be treated like a credit card when purchasing something from a stranger. Before sending money, verify the recipient's name, phone number, or email address. Digital payments are useful when you understand exactly where the money is going and what protection you have if something goes wrong. Number 7, develop a troubleshooting routine. Technology problems become overwhelming when we start clicking random buttons. A simple routine can prevent some of that frustration. First, read the entire message on the screen. Second, check the internet connection. Third, close and reopen the application. Fourth, restart the device. Fifth, search for the exact error message or ask for help using the name of the device and application. Most importantly, change one thing at a time. When several settings are changed at once, it becomes difficult to identify what fixed or created the problem. Number 8, recognize scams before clicking. Modern scams are designed to create urgency. A message may claim that your bank account has been locked, your package cannot be delivered, your social security number has been suspended, or a family member needs money immediately. That urgency is intentional. The scammer wants you to react before you have time to think. Do not click the link inside a suspicious message. Open the company's official app, type its known website address into your browser, or call the number printed on the back of your bank card. A legitimate company will give you time to verify the information. A scammer will pressure you to act immediately. Number 9, use two-factor authentication. A password is the first lock on your account. Two-factor authentication adds a second one. After entering your password, the account may send a code to your phone or ask you to approve the login through an app. That extra step can prevent someone from entering your account even if your password has been stolen. Whenever your bank, email provider, investment company, or social media platform offers two-factor authentication, turn it on. It may take a few extra seconds to sign in, but recovering a stolen account can take days, weeks, or even months. Number 10, create and manage strong passwords. Using the same password for every account may feel convenient, but it creates a serious security risk. Once criminals obtain that password, they can try it on your email, bank account, social media, and shopping websites. A password manager can create and securely store different passwords for you. Apple, Google, Microsoft, and several independent companies offer password management tools. The most important account to protect is your email because password reset instructions for your other accounts usually arrive there. Start by creating a strong email password, turning on two-factor authentication, and making sure your recovery phone number is current. Digital confidence does not mean knowing everything about technology. It means knowing how to pause, examine the situation, and take the next reasonable step. Technology will continue to change, but these 10 skills will remain useful because they teach you how to navigate, not merely where to click. Choose one skill from this list and begin practicing it this week. You don't have to master everything at once. Subscribe to Digital Wisdom Smarts for clear, step-by-step technology guidance created for people who want to feel capable, protected, and confident online.